Okay, I noticed on a couple videos I made before this one that I haven't posted yet, for some reason I'm losing my audio near the end of the video. I think it happened on the Combine video too. So I've got technical issues. Seems to be going around lately. So anyway, at the end of the round baler video that came before this, what I was trying to explain was we had an incident with the wiring here. All the years I've had this round baler, this is the first time I've ever had the thing pull the wire out and eat it. It's in a round bale somewhere, so I had to fix the wiring coming up to the tractor, and I didn't have the right plugs here, so I kind of rigged it together so that it would work, and it did. So I got the field done. So now I'm going to have to take this apart, put the correct stuff in. Yeah, now I got to figure out why I'm losing the video. I take these videos with the camera in my Android phone, so I have a bad feeling that I'm going to need to acquire a new phone, which I don't really want to do right now. Yeah, and I know I've got people wanting to know about the rice progress. The rice progress is not good. It didn't do good at all. I'll explain that if I make that video. And I see some spotted lanternflies over there. I'm gonna have to go over there and kill them. It's like a shooting gallery around here. So thanks for watching, and if the video doesn't cut out here, maybe you can see me destroy one of these unwanted Asian imports. I see the one right there. These things like to hop, so that's why you gotta get right on them like that. Bye-bye. And there's another one. Oh, there's a whole bunch down here. I'm going to be having fun. Okay, well, thanks for watching.